The dips in spacetime. Wells are one of the coolest ideas in the universe. They explain why planets orbit, why stars stay together, and why black holes are so extreme. This is the story of the universe's invisible dips that shape everything. 1. What is a well? Imagine a giant trampoline stretched tight. Now imagine placing objects on it. A tennis ball makes a tiny dip. A bowling ball makes a deeper dip. A car would make a really big dip. If you roll a marble anywhere on the trampoline, it will roll toward the dip every time. That dip is a well. Wells are places where things naturally gather. 2. Wells in space. In space, there are no trampolines, but the same idea happens. Big objects bend the fabric of space-time around them. This bending makes invisible dips, real wells that guide how things move. That's why the moon orbits Earth, Earth orbits the sun, stars orbit the center of the galaxy. Galaxies gather into clusters. Everything is following these dips. 3. How deep is a space well? It depends on what is making the well. A planet makes a small well. A star makes a deep well. A black hole makes the deepest wells of all. If you could see these wells with your eyes, space would look like a giant landscape full of hills and valleys. Why wells matter in PWG, wells are not only gravity. They are persistence zones, places where the universe holds things together long enough for patterns to grow. Wherever you find something that lasts, you find a well around it. A star makes a well for its planets. A galaxy makes a well for billions of stars. A cell makes tiny chemical wells that keep it alive. A brain makes information wells that store memories. A black hole makes a huge well that stores cosmic events for ages. A well is the universe's way of saying, stay here a little longer. 5. What is inside a well? Inside every well, gradients guide the flow of matter, energy, and information. Gas falls into star wells. Stars fall into galaxy wells. Light curves inside deep wells. Even time itself runs slower in strong wells. Wells shape everything. 6. A simple picture. Imagine walking across a giant field made of stretchy rubber. Most of the field is flat, but every few steps your foot sinks gently. That's a planet. Walk farther, a deeper dip. That's a star. Keep going, a huge drop. That's a black hole. You're walking across the gravity landscape of the universe. 7. Nested wells, bowls inside bowls. Wells exist inside bigger wells. A moon sits in Earth's well. Earth sits in the sun's well. The sun sits in the Milky Way's well. The Milky Way sits inside a cluster's well. The whole cosmic web forms giant wells across billions of light years. The universe is a stack of bowls inside bigger bowls. 8. Wells hold the universe together. Without wells, planets would drift away. Galaxies would scatter. Stars could not form. Memory would not last inside matter. Life could not build enough order to survive. Wells are the anchors of the universe. IWG version. In PIBCWG, wells are one of the universe's building tools. Wells help patterns persist. Wells protect growing structures. Wells shape gradients. Wells store information. They guide the formation of stars, galaxies, black holes, life, and even the way your brain remembers things. Wells are not just gravity, they are the persistence landscapes of the universe. 10. Final thought. Whenever you look up at the night sky, remember, every star you see is sitting in a well. Every galaxy you see is sitting in a bigger well. Even you are sitting in Earth's gentle well. Wells shape everything the universe builds, and they help those patterns last long enough for new ones to grow.